Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video I am going to share a very cute hairstyle which you can carry into ways. I'm going to take a small section of hair from the front side and divide it into two parts. I'm gonna overlap these two sections of my hair, and then I'm gonna pick a small chunk of hair from my left side and add it or overlap it on the right side of my hair. Then I'm picking a small chunk of hair from my right side and overlap it toward the left side. Now I'm just repeating these steps each time I pick up a new chunk of hair from each side. When I reach at the crown of my head, I'm going to secure my hair using bobby pins, and voila, we are done. In our second style, we are going to attach a bobby pin and rubber band like this. And then we are going to make a ponytail. These are the easiest and the quickest hairstyle you can carry anywhere, anytime. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you next time. Assalamualaikum.